Welcome to the episode 15th of MedCalc tutorial series on Statistics Bio 7. In this video, we'll explore how to use a log transformed predictor variable in a regression model using MedCalc software. This method is especially useful when your predictor variable is skewed or not linearly related to your outcome. Today's example, use cholesterol levels to predict systolic blood pressure but with a log transformations applied to the cholesterol. Why log transformation a predictor? Many biomedical variables like cholesterol or hormones level are not normally distributed. This violates one of the assumptions of linear regressions. By applying a log transformations to the predictor, we can linearize the relationship, improve model accuracy, and stabilize variations. So instead of the modeling blood pressure is equal to A plus B into cholesterol, we use blood pressure is equal to A plus B into log cholesterol. How to calculate a log transformed cholesterol log X? You calculate the log transformation cholesterol using the normal logarithm log base E, also write as log E cholesterol or simple in the cholesterol. Example, let's say the cholesterol level 200 mg per deciliter. Log 200 is equal to in 200 value for the log transformation cholesterol value 5.298. Open the MedCalc software. The data already entered in the MedCalc software workspace. We take the 25 patient ID and the cholesterol milligram per deciliter and the log cholesterol value and systolic blood pressure. Now the analyzed for the regression model with log transformed predictor in MedCalc. So go to the top menu, selected for the statistics options and regression, selected to the regression options. Then open the new tab. The first one for the variable Y. The selected for the systolic blood pressure and the variable for X selected for the log cholesterol value. Then leave for the weights and the filter options. Then selected for the right side options, the regression equation, selected the checkbox include consent in equations. Then one selected for the second options. Y is equal to A plus B log X. Then leave the subgroup options and selected for the residual options, the 5 different type. The first one for the Shapiro-Wilk test, the most of the recommended in highly to the small to moderator sample size less than 50. And the next one for the Shapiro-Wilk test, slightly modified for the large data set only, selected for the Shapiro-Wilk test. And the third one, D-Algro Pearson test, more sensitive to the crudeness in your residual values. And the fourth one, the Kulmarov-Sumirov test, the non-parametric, less powerful for the small sample variable selected. Then the last one for the none. Then you skip the residual diagnostics for the not recommended for the none options. So I selected for the Shapiro-Wilk test in the first options. Then click to the OK button. Then open the new tab for the regression analysis in the log transformed predictor. So the sample size for the value the 25 and the coefficients of the determination R square value 0.9959 and the residual standard deviation value 1.1179 and the regression equation value Y is equal to minus 301.6076 plus 602.1936 log x. Then the table for the regression equations, the parameter intercept and the slope value for the coefficients, and the standard error and 95% of confidence interval, then t value and p value for the less than 0.0001. And the analysis of variation in ANOVA table, the source and degrees of freedom, sum of square and the mean value, the presence for the analysis of variations, and the F ratio value 5575.0895, and the significance value p less than 0.001. Then the residual of Shapiro-Wilk test for the normal distributions, the W value is equal to 0.9013, and reject normality P is equal to 0.0196. Then additional one of the options for the created this scatter diagram with regression line in log transformed predictor values. So click to the options, then open the regression line tab. The already selected for the variable y is equal to systolic blood pressure and variable x for the log cholesterol value. Then selected for the regression equation, then option selected for the 95% of confidence and optional for the 95% of predictions. So selected the two options, then click to the OK button. So the draw a new graph for the scatter plot in the log transformed predictor regression model. The x value present in the log in the cholesterol and the y value presented for the systolic blood pressure milligram per mercury. Then the value in center of the graphs, the y is equal to minus 301 plus 602 log x. The number of the patient 25 and the regression value r is equal to 1 and the p value less than 0.001. So this is for the graph of the scatter plot in the log transformed predictor model in regressions for MedCalc software. If you any doubt on this video, leave me comments in the comment box. I will reply to you. And another one video, I will explain for the interpretation, the full the detail of the log transformed regression model. And if you any doubt for the log cholesterol, the calculate method, I will explain for the blog post. That post link mentioned to the this video description box. If you like this video, click to the subscription button and support to me, join to our channel membership. The donation link also mentioned to the this video description box. Thank you for watching this video.